Alright, today I start the rust repairs. As you can see, I've pulled the front guards off, the grille, the headlight buckets, the bumper. The main reason for doing that is because I want to have a look underneath the guards to check out the plenum. I'm probably going to need to do a bit of digging around in here. There's a bit of surface rust going on here and there. The sill looks pretty good for its age, to be honest. Can't see any evidence of repairs on this side at all. Not that I'm an expert, but I have had a very rusty one of these before. The last car I had, oh hang on a minute, hang on. That's all fiberglass. Look at that. That's all fiberglass. I suspect I'm not going to like what I find under there. Goes right over there as well. Might be a little more rust under there than we're currently being led to believe. That looks like it's all being plated up too, or rather bogged up. This corner of the car could be hiding some nasty surprises. See, it is. Now looks like regular metal. You can see that sill has a rust hole right through it. There's a bit of rust under there as well. You can see this has been patched up already. Surface rust going on underneath the parts that you don't see, but it looks like we'll be doing a little bit of cutting and plating. Curious to know how bad that B pillar, that A pillar is. Not sure what the technical term for it is, but looks like there's a lot of fiberglass in it.